Welcome to a new JavaScript conundrum. Today we're diving into a fascinating problem involving function declarations and the mysterious workings of eval. In this case, the twist lies in how the function declaration behaves differently when using eval compared to a regular block of code. It's a real head-scratcher, but fear not, we'll unravel this mystery together. Now let's delve into the solution. When it comes to the behavior of function declarations in non-strict mode, hoisting plays a crucial role. The function declaration gets hoisted to the top of the block, essentially happening before the eval statement. This tricky phenomenon explains why the function in the eval statement doesn't overwrite the initial function declaration. It's all about the magic of hoisting at play here. Moving on to the next part of our solution journey, let's explore how the scenario changes when using an assignment of a function expression. Unlike function declarations, assignment statements aren't hoisted, leading to a different outcome. By assigning a function expression using eval, we see that the function can indeed be overwritten. It's a subtle distinction, highlighting the nuances of JavaScript behavior. Now, onto the final piece of our puzzle, the strict mode's impact on eval. In a strict mode environment, the function declared within eval doesn't leak out of the eval at all. This strict mode behavior prevents any unintended overriding of functions, maintaining a clearer separation between code blocks. It's a protective shield ensuring code integrity within the eval context. In summary, we've unraveled the fascinating interplay of function declarations, hoisting, and eval in JavaScript. From hoisting quirks to strict mode safeguards, these concepts shed light on the intricate dynamics of JavaScript execution. We hope this deep dive into JavaScript's puzzling behavior has been enlightening. Remember to stay curious, keep coding, and may your functions never clash in unexpected ways. Subscribe, like, and comment below. JavaScript mysteries await.